What I got here is a diorama from Mini Station, the brand that is made in the factory of Time Micro, More Art, Time Model, and a couple of more brands. There was only one photo on AliExpress and it looked pretty good, but it was also pretty dark. So at this time, I'm not sure what to expect. We're going to open the box and hope it's any good. Because the photo, I have to say, and I'm showing you right now in the video, looked promising. Okay, time to open the box. So, like I was saying, Time Model, More Art, Time Micro. They deliver very good quality. And that was also the reason I decided to order this diorama. Okay, here it is. So it's packed in foam, very well protected, and the diorama is in the middle of it. Let's see, I think it's best to do it like this. And then I'm taking it out. Yep, there we go. Box is empty. What is the top? What is the bottom? Okay, it's like this. It's like this. We all can see already. Can see some trees. So I have to do it like this. Yep. Yeah. There we go. So here on top. You know, from China, it's a very long journey and also a very rough journey to Europe. So the chance that something breaks, here is some sticky foam or something. Let's see if I can get that with a knife. Be careful not to break anything, dude. Yep. Okay. Don't see any loose parts. It's a pretty small diorama. Okay. I understand why they use this gum, so it couldn't move on its way to Europe. And so I'm going to make an incision right here. Yes, that sounds like an operation, and this is also an operation. There we go. And I also have to make an incision right here. A scalpel, please. Yeah, here you go. There we go. Yeah, this is looking promising. And also very good packaging. Thumbs up for that. Very well packed. Scissor, please. Okay. Scissor. Okay, I think the tree here has broken. Yeah, one tree is broken, but oh, and I think also the... Okay, now I have to... Okay, let's put this right here. Yeah, one tree is broken. as you can see right here. But that's an easy fix, no problem. And I understand when it makes a journey like this, like I was saying, something can break. I have seen worse. I have seen worse. And with that I mean that I got dioramas that were broken a lot worse. About the diorama, I think it looks pretty cool. For a diorama ready out of the box. Yeah, it's not big. It's just for on your desk. Be careful, dude. Be careful. Oh, it even comes with light, I think. And it's made out of wood. Hey, quality. Quality it is, not plastic, wood. Also good for the environment. Oh. Got some Chinese, Japanese sign. Have to figure out where that belongs. Okay, here it is. And here is the light. We're going to see if that is and wait a minute. It also got this, and I think we have to take that off. It belongs somewhere right here, and I have to figure out where exactly. And here I've got a sign, not sure where it belongs. So I have to look at the photo. Okay, here I've got, I think this one belongs right here. Definitely. And then this one goes right here. Yeah? You agree? And then this tree should be right here somewhere. I'm going to look on the back where it's from. I don't see any hole where the tree comes out, so it might be possible. I don't see anything broken, so it might be possible that the tree should be somewhere right here. It was just loose in the box. Oh, 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 oh. Let's have a look at this again. Nothing. I think I'm going to do it like this. I think I'm going to do it like this. What do you think? Back in a sec. Okay, so I've checked the picture and then I saw something. So I'm going to take this away. I'm going to put the 3 right here. There we go. And I think it should be like this. I'm not going to use this. Yeah, this is already looking cool, right? And then I have to take these 2 apart. Yep. And this one goes right here. Yeah, I have to use glue for that. I'm using this glue right here. Voila. And I'm going to use this. By the way, I can already say this diorama is worth the money. I paid like 50 euro. It comes ready out of the box, and I think ready out of the box, this quality, definitely worth the money. Don't use too much, too much, too much, too much. That's 1. And yes, of course, I'm going to put a link of where I bought the diorama. Absolutely worth the money. Let's switch back to normal mode. What a fantastic, cool looking diorama. Yeah, like I said, not going to use this one. No. Hallelujah. And we have to test the light. Yep. But first, this has to dry a little bit. That's going really fast with this glue. Bought it at Tom's. I'm sure you can also buy it somewhere else. And there are a lot of other good brands. The cool thing is the background. There's a lot of green, there's a high wall, and that is perfect for photos. I will place those photos in the community section on my YouTube and on Instagram, of course. Okay, back in a sec. So I put a couple of figures in it. Smurf, Rick and Morty, Dude walking, and some girls looking at a cute dog. Unfortunately, I couldn't get the light working. Tried this button battery, but didn't work. Tried other button batteries, also not working. That's not a big of a deal. Let's put some cars on it. So I already used this car right here. Golf GTI MK6. Pretty cool looking car. We can also use this car from Tarmac. And then you get a nice, cool looking diorama. You can also use this one. We can even use 2 cars. It's just enough room for 2 cars. Yeah, very cool looking diorama. Yeah, let's make some cool shots.